Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and I had filmed a video without, the voiceover part, and then I did the voiceover, but somehow something was glitchy in that, and the voice didn't get recorded, and I was in a too much hurry to get those checked that whether it has been recorded or not. So I had uploaded that video without no, without having any clue that it did not record the voiceover part. So I'm going to be re-uploading that along with this part, so you'll know what I'm talking about. But the basic thing was that I was working in this journal. Now this is a tag book kind of journal, not the tag book sort of thing, but it's like shaped like a tag. I have worked on two smaller ones. I'll show that later, a little bit later, and they will have their official flip through. So as I was working on this journal, I decided to make it like a most of the journal cards and pockets will have a no-sew kind of effect. So most of them. So I decided to do some collage pockets, and I did this one, and this one using some book page, and also this journal card. As you can see, there's no stitching. There won't be any stitching, but I'll of course put some bits of lace and sari silk to it. That would come later on, so I've just kept it over there. So this is going to be a double pocket sort of thing, because this is going to be a pocket, and then this will also have a pocket. So I will work on another of these, and when I do, I'm going to show you how I made them. They are very rustic collage. I'm calling them rustic collage because they do have that unfinished kind of look, and that's what I want in this journal at least. And I'm working again in twos. I will talk about them later on. So this is going to be a belly band. This was made from a masterboard scrap that I had. I just layered a few things, and this is going to be the belly band sort of thing. These pages are from DG and SVG Designs, and this is the pocket that I made using, just let me show you if I have that book page. Okay, so this was the book page that I was using. This is the size. If you want, I can give you the size. It is around 4 3/4 by 7.5. So this is like a paperback size book, perhaps. I'm not sure. Don't take me for that, but this is a size I used. You can use any size for that matter. And what I did was I just collaged a lot of layered a lot of scraps that I had and some labels, and they turned out pretty good. So I decided to do another of this, not exactly same, but the concept is going to be same, and I filmed it without any sound, and then I decided to give a voiceover, which I often do. So, and this is what it became. So this is the process video that I'm going to be attaching along with this video, so that you can have a look. And of course the pages will be grunged up a little bit. They look pretty bare right now, but once I decide on the pockets, I will work on the pages. I will show you in bits and pieces how I work, not probably the whole process, but some of them. And this one I will try and upload this video. This is a very quick video that I made of how to add heights to your pockets. Like sometimes what we have is a little bit of fold out pocket. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So something like this. Okay, so I don't want to keep it like this. I want to make it like this. So from this to this, you can see the difference. And also another thing is that when you turn the page, when you fold the page, the image becomes inverted. I know it doesn't bother some of you, but it does bug me. So I try to add something to hide that you know, upside down kind of look. So this is my way of doing it. So this is one page and this is the other one. So there are only 3 elements that I've used here: a label, some embossed scraps, and a digital floral fussy cut. The floral fussy cuts are from my shop. These are just embossed scraps that I have, and I have talked about this before. I keep a bag of baggy sort of thing of all scraps that I have embossed with whatever embossing folders I have. I don't have many because they are pretty expensive, and I don't want to go out of my way and spend too much when I'm going to use them in little bits and pieces. And the ones that I have are pretty decent, they do the job. And of course I'm on the hunt for embossing folders, but not too expensive ones. Sometimes I buy them, you know, in a buy sell group sort of thing in India, but they are hard to get by, so very few people sell them, and even if they do, they don't serve the purpose that I want them to. So I'm pretty frugal about that. And what I've done is I've added 2 labels. Now this is a shop, I think it is called Little Ladies Prairie or Little Prairie Ladies Prints, something of that. Prairie Lady, something with the prairie, I'm not sure. Because I have only bought labels from her shop. I have used them before, like this one, and also this one. So I also have worked on another pocket, which I'll show. So this is the journal currently I'm working in, and all of the pockets will have a kind of rustic look. So again, this one, this page also had that you know, inverted kind of look, so I didn't want to go with that. So I did a little bit of collage. This is a pocket, and this is also going to be a pocket. So as you can see, it has a kind of rustic look, and I'm going to stick with that. This is another page that I've created. This is going to be a pocket. This was a simple page like this. There's nothing wrong with this page, but it's just that I want a little bit more. So I added this. Of course, it is not glued down yet because I need to figure out something for the other side. But I'm not adding any pocket over here. I've just added a label from the same shop. And this is another pocket. This is a paper bag that I've altered and I've stitched, which is going to go in. And the one that I'm working on now, the thing that I'm working on now is actually the CD envelope. So what I've done is I've just joined the middle, and when I joined the 2 envelopes, I made sure that the openings are at different orientation. Like this one will have a top loading one pocket, and this one will have a side loading. And all these CD cases have been tea-dyed, so they look like this. And no, I don't dry them in the oven because then this is not going to melt. So I'm just I just air dry them, you can say. So I have joined them, and I'm going to do some collage on them. So that's going to be another video. For now, you'll have to be satisfied by looking at the one that I talked about, this one. So I have just you know, done a process of this with all bits and pieces and how you can use them to give a rustic look like this. So keep watching, don't go anywhere, and if you like this video, then please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. This will mean a lot to me, and please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me too. I'll put all the links to my shop below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out too. Bye. Keep watching for the continuation of that video whereby there was a glitch and I am re-uploading that. So watch the rustic collage of the pocket.